Come here. Come here, Mama. Come here. It's been a little rainy, so they got a little mud on them. But and it looks like she's sitting another egg. Anyway, so there's a couple white ones. These are the youngest. Like I said, they've been playing in the mud today. But this is the littlest one I was telling you about. It's kind of the, wouldn't say he's a runt, but it's a little bit bigger. But that's their mama, most of them. This one is an incubator chicken that we fostered over here with her, because these were born just a couple days after the incubators did. Here's these. The black one, the darker ones aren't for sale right now of this group. So this one isn't for sale, and neither is that one. But the other ones of these are for sale. And apparently she's sitting on another egg. Okay, so there's that.